Hello and welcome to SW News. The coronavirus cases are continuously rising. Globally, coronavirus has infected over 1 crore 12 lakh people and more than 5 lakh 29,000 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 6 lakh 48,000 cases of coronavirus. 2 lakh 35,000 among them are active cases. 3,94,000 have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 18,655 have died due to coronavirus. With over 22,000 COVID-19 cases, India recorded the highest 24-hour increase for the second consecutive day. The country also recorded 442 new cases of coronavirus. The recovery rate in India now stands at 60.80%. In the last 10 days, in a positive development, there has been a 4% improvement in the recovery rate. Let's now move on to important news of the day. Even as the World Health Organization lauded the Indian government for its effort in tackling COVID-19, the World Nodal Health Agency said that India should also focus on data management originating from the pandemic. According to WHO, India's big challenge is population, its geographic diversity, heterogeneity, and the fact that India has multiple epidemics going on every state. WHO appreciated the Indian government's strong political leadership to focus on important things like developing diagnostics and being able to scale that up, also being very systematic about the lockdown measures and unlocking in an organized manner. This is now the next phase India and many other countries are facing and should think about a long-term strategy. That is what WHO said. In an exclusive interview with ANI, Dr. Soumya Swaminathan, who is a chief scientist at WHO, said that the government of India took extremely serious steps from the beginning and put in place certain measures in January itself based on the WHO recommendation. She said that there needs to be some kind of national guidelines on how you report data. Otherwise, you cannot compare. Everybody is reporting things in very different ways. She said, citing an example, that WHO has recommended certain criteria that the government can use to assess where the epidemic is. Let's move on to next news. Flights from 6 cities including Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Chennai and Ahmedabad will not land in Kolkata for 3 weeks starting Monday, authorities said on Saturday as the West Bengal government stepped up the measures to contain coronavirus in the state. The letter read, the Civil Aviation Ministry agreed to suspend the flights following a request from the West Bengal government. The Bengal government had written to the centre to also stop flights from Indore and Surat. It wanted flights to 2 other airports in the state, Andal and Bagdogra, paused as well. West Bengal is also witnessing a steep rise in cases. A large number of cases has been reported from people coming in the state from outside with infection. The government of West Bengal has decided to stop or curtail the movement of incoming flight and trains into the state. Let's move on to next news. The Union Health Ministry on Friday revised the dosage of antiviral drug remdesivir to be administered to coronavirus patients in the moderate stage of illness from the earlier 6 days to 5 days as it is issued an updated clinical management protocols for COVID-19. The new treatment protocol stated that the drug administered in form of injection should be given at a dose of 200 mg on day 1 followed by 100 mg daily for 4 days for total 5 days. The Health Ministry on June 13th had allowed the use of remdesivir for restricted emergency use in moderate cases under investigational therapies. The documents further stated that under emergency use authorization, remdesivir may be considered for patients in a moderate stage requiring oxygen support. It further said that it is not recommended for those with severe renal impairment and high level of liver enzymes, pregnant and lactating women, and those below 12 years. Let's move on to next news. A day after experts raised concern over the Indian Council of Medical Research's decision to fast-track vaccine development for COVID-19 and set a deadline for August 15th, the ICMR has issued a clarification stating that it has decided to fast-track the process to cut red tapeism. In a statement, the ICMR said the letter sent by DG ICMR to investigators of the clinical trial sites was meant to cut unnecessary red tape without bypassing any necessary process and speed up recruitment of participants. just as the red tape was not allowed to become a hindrance in the fast-track approval of new indigenous testing kits or for introducing in the Indian market potential COVID-19 related drugs, the indigenous vaccine development process has also been sought to be insulated from slow file movement. Now that is what ICMR said in its statement. That's all for COVID-19 update today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.